Fennec foxes are fascinating creatures, and their giant ears are a perfect example of nature's ingenuity. These ears can be up to 6 inches long. They help the foxes regulate their body temperature in the scorching desert heat. By dissipating heat, those oversized ears keep them cool while they hunt at night. Plus, their acute sense of hearing allows them to detect prey underground, like insects and rodents. It's a clever adaptation that makes them perfectly suited for survival in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Isn't it amazing how evolution shapes these unique traits?